Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Phone 2 business phone number app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Phone 2 business phone number is a communication app designed for professionals who want a dedicated business line separate from their personal number. It allows users to make and receive calls and texts through a virtual number, helping them maintain privacy and professionalism. The app is available on both iOS and Android and supports features like call forwarding, custom voicemail, auto-replies, and number management for business needs. The app's main feature is its virtual business line. You can choose a number, customize call settings, and manage all business communication from one place. It also offers voicemail recordings, call routing, and messaging tools that enhance customer interaction and allow users to maintain a clear separation between work and personal life. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, the ability to keep work communications organized, and flexible options like automated responses and voicemail transcription. It's especially useful for freelancers, small business owners, and entrepreneurs who don't want to carry a second phone but need a professional number. However, there are some drawbacks. The free features are limited, and advanced tools, such as expanded calling minutes, premium numbers, and enhanced automation, require a subscription. Some users also report occasional call quality issues or delays in message syncing depending on network conditions. In addition, number availability may vary by region. In summary, the Phone 2 business phone number app may be worth using if you want a simple, affordable way to manage a separate business line, keep communication organized, and maintain professionalism. However, if you need enterprise-level calling features or want completely unrestricted usage without a subscription, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.